Okay, Mark, I think I found another potential, which is this house right here that you are seeing right now. Well, it is currently a one level, and it is in South Arlington. The house is still very affordable there, as that's why you see, this kind of house right here. And it's pretty, I don't know, the picture make it look like it is a pretty nice house. So, and we don't know, there's no other pictures on the inside, but that is not the problem here. So basically, my point is this: we are not gonna buy this house and just upgrading it. We're not gonna make money that way, but we can make some money if we add a second story to it. So basically, I have looked at some other houses in the area. I mean, in the neighborhood, and there are a few houses, but let me show you one of the house. Well, look at this. Look at this house right here, 77. You see this house right here is selling for $770,000. Okay, it has 5 bedroom, 1.5 bath. The total finished square feet above ground is 1900, right? And let's take a look at the condition. So basically, the house, I think the front um the front end here, the wide is, it might be a little shorter than the house that we want to buy, and it's siding. So I'm not sure, but anyway, we can do the same thing maybe, because we don't want to, like, we just, for the sake of simplicity, we're probably gonna do, like, a porch like this and then add siding on the top, so it's make it easier. Brick probably cost more. So, and then in the back, we're just gonna add a small addition here to the back. Then we will have a very comparable house to sell. With that, we're gonna do something like better than this. I believe this is not that good, but it's kind of nice. But let's take a look at the condition of the house. Well, they do have detached garage here, and I do have the deck in the back, and the addition on the side that we see right here. So, wait, it does look at those. It has a basement, uh, but it doesn't really matter. The square foot that we see, how much it is right here. Oh, this is above ground, so they might have another 600 or 700 under in the basement. So that might be 20 something, but they were selling for 770. Okay, and we'll keep that in mind. We'll go back here. Well, okay, well, what was that? Now look at the condition inside of the house. This look like it is Fargo. I don't know. It's not hardwood. I think it's more like Fargo instead. They do have some kind of chair rail here, pretty normal, and they have crown molding. But it's not all that, it's outdated kind of styles. I mean, a lot of people have been doing this for many years, 20 years, more than that. But um, we're not gonna do something like this, obviously. And look at the door. See all these trims works. It's not all that great. And then the paint color is actually is neutral, so it's good. But I think it's better if we have, these thing touch right here, and then paint this in a different color. Maybe, I don't know. But well, it's kind of nice here, but I thought this could be better. Uh, So we'll see. Here it is. This look like it's the family room, guest room, whatever that is. They have windows. The windows look pretty standard. I don't know. The person who is working on this window doesn't even know how to do the windows. It's just they to put a square on here, and this is not how the window is being done. I don't know if you know how it should be done, but this is not how it is. So we can see the person whoever doing this is obviously, not pretty good at designing. Probably know how to do woodworking, but not all that impressive. Cheap door, pretty simple crown molding here. The floor is either old or it is Fargo, and I don't know why there is this right here. It's make it look a little less attractive. You see how the floor is connected right here. It doesn't show in the picture, but this is hardwood and this is Fargo or something like that. Well, they do have some kind of staging. This is obviously an amateur staging. It's not a professional staging. So but it's still kind of nice. Anyway, it's a little busy maybe. I don't know. It doesn't give me the wow factor at all. The kitchen is ugly, straight out ugly. I don't know. So, but look at that, and this house was selling for oh my god, the carpet, all this thing right here. Maybe personal preference, but I don't like that color at all. I don't know. This doesn't, I don't know. Well, see, pretty, it's good to use. It's not that, but it's not all that good. Oh, this is kind of nice in here, but this is not nice. I don't know. Maybe this was being done 15, 20 years ago. Maybe, I guess. I don't know. I think that was popular back then. All this crown molding. Yeah, there is, but nothing impressive. Um, there we go. The hardwood floor is actually it's hardwood, but it's kind of old. It's been there for a long time. Basically the house is not bad at all. It's been built 4 years ago, maybe 10, 15 years ago, but this is impressive right here. Wow, look at that. Double garage with this kind of driveway here. This guy put a lot of money on here. He should have taken another picture showing the driveway, but anyway, it's nice. You have the grass like that, but the house is not all that impressive. With that in mind, right? We don't have to build that, but we can. I mean, I don't know if we have land to do that, but with that in mind, we go back here to do our um calculation here. Well, let's say we are going to buy the house as 420. We put $150,000 down. I mean, we put $150,000 into building the second stories and another addition in the back, right? We meant all this 10% down and blah blah, right? And then in the end, we are going to sell the house. If we are selling the house at 77, the same as that other house, we will have $130,000. But if let's say we sell for 700, we still have 67. The worst case scenario is that each person will make about $30,000, right? $30,000, but there's no way we do that and we sell 700. I mean, the minimum is gonna be 750. That we have $140, but I believe that we might be able to sell probably a little more than maybe 780 or 90. But let's say 780. Oops. 780. That's when we have 142. But if we're giving 77, just like the other house. That's $133,000. So I think there is some potential here. So we need to make a visit and see what happened here. And remember, if we look at these, let's get out of this screen and go into here. If we look at this house right here, see, if we add a second story, I think the house will look a lot better than the other house, right? And this looks like our land is better. I don't know. We do have a driveway here. We have the brick, so a lot of times it may give people a more expensive impression. But obviously we can add on siding here. But because of the front elevation like this is wider, so maybe it look more impressive. And because the interior is totally new, so I don't think we are gonna be selling anything less than 770. So, but again, if we are selling it at 770, right? We have $133,000. We'll see.